Special factoring difference of squares. So there are some special situations in quadratic equations where we can take shortcuts. Yes, you heard me right, shortcuts in factoring. Okay? And one of these scenarios is called difference of squares, which is what we're going to talk about in this video. So difference of squares occurs when a quadratic is of the form, basically, so when it looks like this, ax squared minus c. And also, both a and c are called perfect squares. And these are the two kind of qualifications for it to be a difference of squares situation. So let's get on to the shortcut. What is the shortcut? So what you do is you need to take the square root of both terms separately. So the square root of x squared, well, the square cancels with the square root and we're just left with x. And then the square root of 100, you can use your calculator, or if you know it in your head, is 10. So the two things we get from the square roots are x and 10. And that's what we need to put into our parentheses. Okay? So start your parentheses like we always do when we factor. So there's my set of parentheses. And it's pretty simple from here. We're going to use our x and our 10, and it always is of this form. So x plus 10, x minus 10. And you're done. So you always put your x first and then whatever number second, and then just go plus and minus in the parentheses. So when I've said shortcut, it actually is a legit shortcut. Okay, let's look at another example. So remember, first thing we do, take the square roots of these terms separately. So the square root of 4x squared, well, the square root of 4 is 2, and remember the square root of x squared is just x, okay? And then we take the square root of 36, which you can use your calculator in your head, is 6. These are our key terms. So now remember, you just write your parentheses down below. And we write 2x, remember I got it from right here, plus 6, got the 6 from right here. And then if I already used a plus, this one has to be 2x minus 6. And then you're done.